Shapes. Spiral learning. Knowing about shapes. Plane shapes. Solid shapes. Horizontal, vertical, slanting lines. Rolling and sliding. Hold a marble between your hands and rub them. What do you feed? A marble has a round surface, so it rolls. Hold an eraser between your hands and rub them. What do you feed? A eraser has a flat surface, so it slides. Curved lines, straight lines. Objects which roll have curved lines. Objects which slide have straight lines. Horizontal, vertical, slanting lines. Straight lines can be drawn in different ways. Left to right, right to left. These are called horizontal lines. Top to bottom, bottom to top. These are called vertical lines. Tiled across top to bottom, bottom to top. These are called slanting lines. Plane shapes, slides and corners. Shapes which are flat are called plane shapes. Is a square. It is made of straight lines. These straight lines are called sides. The point at which sides meet is called a corner. A square has 4 sides, 4 corners. What about a circle and oval? Do they have sides and corners? Circle, oval. A circle and oval are made of curved lines. They do not have straight lines, so they do not have sides and corners. Solid shapes, faces, edges and corners. Shapes which have a thickness are called solid shapes. This is a cube. It is made of straight lines which enclose a surface. The straight lines are called edges. The points at which edges meet are called corners. Surfaces enclosed by edges are called faces. A cube has 12 edges, 8 corners, and 6 faces. Other solid shapes also have curved faces. Cylinder, cone, sphere. Activity. Take a thick paper sheet. With help of your teacher, draw a cutout of few plane shapes. Run your fingertips around their sides. Which of these have straight side? Which of these have curved sides? Which have corners and how many? Discuss. Now cut out a circle like this. Cut out a part of it as shown. With help of your teacher, fold it by joining the dots to form a cone. Try to make one yourself. You may also use it as a cap.